So that's good for February. Let's move into March. All right, so I want to transition in.
Our astrosite really tells us is the anchor for what's most interesting about February. February brings us a pile of planets in Aquarius, just like we had a pile of planets in Capricorn. But more importantly,
The head. So
our astrosite really tells us is the anchor for what's most interesting about February. February brings us a pile of planets in Aquarius, just like we had a pile of planets in Capricorn. But more importantly, we get Mercury and Venus and Mars's first conjunctions with Pluto in Aquarius. And that's between the 5th and the 16th, right? So over 11 days, 3 planets all make their first conjunction to Pluto in Aquarius. So if you're looking for what period of time are we going to see all of the, see these themes that Chris and I spent 45 minutes discussing earlier with Pluto and Aquarius, this should give us a pretty quick, I don't know if even preview or beginning to what is Mercury's relationship to Pluto and Aquarius, what is Venus's, and what is Mars's.
Yeah, and just backing up really quickly, even that Pluto ingress on the 20th of January, when the sun ingresses at the same time, we should pay attention to what happens on that day as being symbolically important, because that's exactly 1 year from Inauguration Day that'll take place the next January 20th. So it'll be an interesting sort of like omen or preview of what's to come.
Yeah. And so, as you're looking at charts, think about what does it mean for 4 or 5 planets to be in Cap, and then 4 or 5 planets to be in Aquarius, right? And so on as we go through this first half of the year. It's just, overwhelming weight in each sign.
Yeah, that Mars-Pluto conjunction on the 14th especially looks especially dramatic, intense, and similar to the Mars-Pluto square in October.